dog-based meme coin Shiba Inu enjoyed a meteoric rise in 2021 and earned the title Dogecoin killer. You may like to invest in the Shiba Inu because of its dirt cheap price and its never-ending supply in the cryptocurrency market. Hello and welcome. I am Prarthana from Clear, India's largest tax and financial services platform. At Clear, we have assisted 6 million tax filers so far. Do subscribe to our Black channel to support us and to get to know more about the best investments to reach to your financial goals. The Shiba Inu meme coin was created by an anonymous person called Ryoshi in August 2020. Shiba Inu gets its name from a Japanese hunting dog of the same name, but don't mistake it for the canine-themed Dogecoin. It is an Ethereum-based altcoin and is viewed as the alternative to the Dogecoin, hence the name Dogecoin killer. Shiba Inu operates on a decentralized computer network called the blockchain, which manages the crypto coins. It trades for a fraction of a rupee, cent or penny, making it a darling of investors because of its dirt cheap price. The Shiba Inu creator Ryoshi sent 50% of Shiba tokens to Vitalik Buterin, the co-founder of Ethereum. The Billion Buterin on May 13, 2021 donated 50 trillion Shiba Inu coins into an aid fund for COVID-19 relief in India. Shortly after this, Buterin burnt 90% of his Shiba Inu coins holdings worth $6.7 billion to avoid concentration of money power in his hands. Let's learn some interesting facts around the Shiba Inu. Tesla CEO Elon Musk is an influential personality who turns trends into the cryptocurrency world. Shiba Inu jumped 30% in October last year after Elon Musk tweeted a picture of his Shiba Inu pup Loki. The Shiba Inu meme coin hit on an all-time high of $0.000044 on October 24. Elon Musk soon brought Shiba Inu back to earth after he disclosed that he didn't own any Shiba Inu tokens, only Dogecoin, Bitcoin and Ethereum. This table is showing Shiba Inu ecosystem. The Shiba Inu ecosystem also includes the Shiba Swap, Shiba Inu Incubator and the Shiba Shish. Shiba Swap offers a safe place to trade cryptocurrencies while staying decentralized. The Shiba Inu Incubator focuses on ways to honor creativity and ingenuity, while Shiba Shish are Shiba Inu generated non-fungible tokens or NFT written on an Ethereum blockchain. The Shiba Inu meme coin saw a meteoric rise of 250 lakh% in 2021. If you had invested ₹1,000 in Shiba Inu meme coins on January 1st, 2021, you would be a multi-millionaire today. Shiba Inu price was close to $0 for most of January 2021, and you can see its real cost in January 2021. It maintained a very low price around February and most of March 2021 until it rose by 300% in April 2021 after an Elon Musk tweet. Elon Musk replied to a tweet in 2021 saying, "I am looking for a Shiba pup," and the Shiba Inu meme coin rose 9 times in May 2021 as compared to April 2021. Shiba Inu prices soared by 1000% in September 2021 after Elon Musk tweeted about his Shiba Inu puppy. Shiba Inu skyrocketed tenfold in October 2021 to give it a market capitalization of $41 billion as of October 29, 2021, the 11th largest cryptocurrency in the world by market value. The table is showing Shiba Inu value in US dollars in 2021. The takeaway is Shiba Inu may beat Bitcoin, Ethereum and Dogecoin to emerge as the most popular cryptocurrency in 2021. Elon Musk is the primary force behind the rise and fall of Shiba Inu. While several of his tweets made Shiba Inu prices skyrocket, a tweet saying that he didn't own any Shiba Inu meme coins brought the price crashing down. I hope by now you have understood how Shiba Inu performed in 2021. Comment clear if you are clear or drop your questions if any. Don't you want to know how Shiba Inu could perform in 2022? Shiba Inu started the year 2022 on a very weak note but doubled from $0.00017 to about $0.00034 as of February 7, 2022. The main factor behind the resurgence was the expectation that the Layer 2 blockchain project Shibarium would be launched soon. The outlook for Shiba Inu remains weak in 2022 as the US Federal Reserve would hike interest rates soon to control inflation. US inflation hit 7.5%, a 40-year high that hammered all cryptocurrencies, including the Shiba Inu. However, it is not at all a bad news. In the last 7 days, Google search trends show Shiba Inu ahead of Dogecoin in popularity. If you are willing to gamble, get your hands on some Shiba Inu meme coins fast. Cryptocurrency developers are making efforts to bring some real-world utility to Shiba Inu to help it gain traction. Shiba Inu will enter Metaverse by releasing Shiba land plots for purchase in the virtual world. Metaverse allows people to interact with its digital elements as 3D avatars. Here is an interesting case study. Can Shiba Inu reach $1? Well, many people believe Shiba Inu will soon reach $1 and make them multi-billionaires. Can Shiba Inu really get there? Shiba Inu has a current price of this and has a long way to reach $1. Sadly, the chances of Shiba Inu reaching $1 is an emphatic no. Well, Shiba Inu has a total supply of 549 trillion tokens, and hitting $1 would mean a market cap of around $549 trillion. It would be way above the market capitalization of bitcoins. Also, $1 Shiba Inu market capitalization would be more than 6 times the total projected global gross domestic product in 2021. An extremely unlikely scenario is the US dollar would lose most of its value and people would flock to Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu could reach $1 in such a scenario, but what are the chances of its happening? Speaking of Shiba Inu price prediction 2022, algorithm-based forecasting site Wallet Investor has predicted that Shiba Inu price could hit this by 2022. It has also predicted that Shiba Inu prices could touch this by 2023 and this by 2025. Digital Coin predicts that Shiba Inu could have an average price of this in 2022 and by this in 2025. Price prediction is bullish on Shiba Inu and expects an average price of this in 2022 and this in 2025, finally hitting $0.001 in 2030. Government Capital expects Shiba Inu to touch this by 2022 and double to this in 23, finally touching this in 25. Coin price forecasts expect Shiba Inu to trade in a range hitting this by 25 and this by 2030. You must get your hands on Shiba Inu, but don't expect it to hit $1, which is nearly impossible. The world economy must be reordered for Shiba Inu to reach $1. If Shiba Inu ever gets there, its tokens would be worth more than 6 times the world's annual GDP. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any queries related to investments and taxes, please do comment below. We will address them as soon as possible. Stay tuned for more updates and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for cryptocurrency related content. Take care and goodbye.